In this video, I will show you how to merge duplicate contacts in Bitrix24. First, log into your Bitrix24 account and you will then see your main dashboard. Click on Customers and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Contacts and it will automatically direct you to your contacts board. Once you're on your contacts board, go to the upper right corner of your screen and click on the Settings button. In the drop-down menu that appears, look for the Merge and Duplicates option and click on it. A pop-up window will then appear showing the Merge and Duplicate Management settings. However, to fully access this feature, you will need to upgrade your Bitrix24 subscription plan. Once activated, this feature helps you combine repeated contact entries, keeping your CRM organized and up to date. And that's how to merge duplicate contacts in Bitrix24.